So welcome to Nat's Easy Cooking, and when I say easy I really do mean easy. I mean I might do some stir fries and some stir arounds on the hob, but at the moment I'm quite obsessed about filming my Cosori air fryer, as you all know. So here I did mention on my chips video that I just did that I'm going to do some burgers. So here are 5 burgers, frozen burgers, lovely, juicy. Well, they're not juicy yet, but they're frozen actually, so they're not juicy, sorry. And I'm about to make them juicy by putting them in the, guess what? The air fryer. Don't have to put them in the oven, wait for ages, don't have to fry them around in a frying pan, because this is going to do it. So, as I said in my chips video, if you remember, there's like what looks like a piece of steak on the left top corner, and that is the one I'm going to use. And watch what happens when I press it. 205 degrees, 6 minutes. Now, I know because I've done it before, 6 minutes is not quite going to do it, so I'm going to change that. I don't want to change that. I want to change the time, and I'm going to go for 8 minutes. 8 minutes might not do it either, but 8 minutes will get the burgers quite nice, and I might turn them over. We'll see. I'm just going to do it for 8 minutes and see what it does, because I can't totally remember, but it's around this time. So let's go for that, and I will press start and come back to you when it's finished, and if it's not finished I'll let you know what I decide to do. Okay, bye bye. Okay, so the burgers are so-called finished at 8 minutes. I did them, extended the beef symbol temperature, if you like, not temperature, timing, from 6 minutes to 8 minutes. Let's see what it's done. Wow, they look really, really good. Okay, so I don't actually think they need much more than that, to be honest, but you know what, for good measure I might just do them for a minute. So here we go. Why not? A minute's not going to harm, is it? So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go to that same beef setting, which takes me 6 minutes. Don't want 6 minutes. That's flashing now. Don't want to change that. I'm going to take that down to 2 minutes. Why not do 2 minutes? Let's do 2 minutes, which will be a total of 10 minutes that the burgers took, but they only needed really 8, didn't they? But I'm just gonna, just because I turn them around, I'm just gonna do a tiny bit on that side, and for, like I said, for good measure. So I will show you the outcome, but it's not going to be much different. It's just heating it a little bit further. Okay, so here we are. We did the extra 2 minutes. Well, I did the extra 2 minutes, and I'm going to have a look at that sizzling, lovely, jubbly burgers. Of course, you've got all the frazzling, saucy, oily stuff that's kind of drained off them. What's good about that is that it all drains off into the bottom. And then when I do this levery thing that I told you about earlier, or in my chips video, I press it, keep that on the table, and obviously all the oil's gone to the bottom, which is great, because guess what? You can just wash that very, very easily, and I've washed it several times, several times, and it's very, very easy to wash. That's another thing that's good, because it's, you know, you just put some hot water, fairy liquid, and don't scrub it with a Brillo or anything, but just with a very soft padded sponge, and it washes very nicely. So there you go. Closing that, and please do give this burger video in the Cosori fryer a thumbs up, and particularly thumbs up if you think Cosori should give me a little bit of a percentage of their lovely jubbly profits for all my promoting their lovely jubbly. Why do I keep saying lovely jubbly? I don't know. Anyway, for me promoting the Cosori air fryer. But I hope you like this video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that stuff, you know, and I will see you again for more with my Cosori air fryer and with some other recipes that I really should start doing. And I will speak to you soon. Bye. Hello again. I just thought I'd tell you before I go too far away and do something else, that when you open the air fryer and you take out your whatever it is and your chips and stuff like that, okay, there is a handle, and this handle, if you were to push this forward and then move this off the table, the whole thing would fall on the floor. So you must never do that. You push forward your I don't know what you call it, it's a plastic sort of lever thing, then you can press when you press, then you can remove that tray, that outer tray. There's the bottom of it, and then you can do what I'm about to do, which is pour your chips into a container and put this back in here. Wait till it clicks, push this back like that, and then put the tray back in its base. So I just thought I'd add that because I have never mentioned that, and that's what you have to be very careful with this lever thing, because if you were just to, like I said, pull it out and push that out and forget yourself, instead of placing it down first, and if you were to then go like that, the bottom of it would end up on the floor. So hope that's helpful. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.